Okay, in this video tutorial I'm going to go through something quite, it's not obvious how to do it, but it's easy enough to do, and it's useful. It's creating a jar file from a project in IntelliJ IDEA. So what I've got here is a simple Hello World program. Got a main class with a main method, and it's just going to print out hello world. What I want to do is make a jar file out of this. So all I do is click on file, then click on project structure, and then I want to click on artifacts down the side here. And I click on the little plus here, and then I select jar, and then click from modules with dependencies. Then we're going to choose a file that's our main class, so just click this file here, main.java, and then that's fine, this is all fine, don't need to change any of that, and then click OK, and then click OK again. Then all you need to do to actually create the jar file is build and then build artifacts. And then it's come up with test.jar that we just set up a minute ago, and just click build, and then our jar file is in this folder down the side here, out, and then artifacts, test.jar here. So let's just copy that somewhere else. Right, I've got it in my home directory now, so I can easily run it. So if I open up my terminal here, okay, like that, then I just need to type Java -jar like that, and then the name of my jar file, because I'm in the directory that it's saved in. It's just test.jar. And it's going to print hello world, because that is the program that we created the jar file for. So that's how you create a jar file in IntelliJ IDEA. It's something that I had to look up how to do, and hopefully this short video has helped you figure out how to do that.